Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve 3-strand twist and to do a twist out that can be as bomb as this one. I love how it turned out. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm moisturizing with some cream, detangling the section, and then I'm going to separate the section into 3 so that I can start my 3-strand twist. Now for the twist, all you have to do is take a strand, wrap it around the entire section, and twist it. And then you're going to do that to the remaining strands all the way until you get to the end. And this twist is really simple and easy. All you have to do is remember which strand goes next in the twist. That's probably the hardest part, but overall it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. While doing these twists, I decided to section my hair as I go, and I decided to part out large sections because I realized with 3-strand twists you don't have to make medium or small parts to have a really defined twist out, and that's why I love this style because it is definitely a time saver. Primarily while doing these twists, I focused on applying the product that I was using rather than adding water to it, just because my hair was already damp and I wanted my twist to dry in a timely manner. And the product that I used in this video was the African Pride Shea Moisture Hair Moisturizer. Once I got to the crown of my head, I decided to do a zigzag part on top so that my hair doesn't lay as flat on the top of my head, and it adds a fun little design to the style. So this is what the finished product of my twist look like. You could see a little bit of white from the product, but when they dry, that completely goes away, and I let these twists sit and dry for a total of 2 days. Now I'm going to take some hair silk to unravel the twist, add some luster and shine, and to minimize the amount of frizz that I get. To separate the strands, I reapplied the hair silk as needed and pulled apart my hair where it naturally wanted to divide. And finally, I picked my hair at the roots for added volume. Alright y'all, so you have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you incorporate 3-strand twists into your future natural hairstyles because it's so easy, quick, and you get to leave them in or take them out for a bomb twist out. I'm loving this style, the volume, the definition, everything, absolutely everything. So I hope you are too, and if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other hairstyles you'd like to see me do next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.